Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today we are going to talk about how to read and set micropipette volume. If you can read, you can set. If you can set, you can read. There is no single universal micropipette, so you have to use certain micropipette for certain volume. So take a look. They are color coded. Usually at the beginning you have to take a look what is the range of each micropipette, but later just looking at the color, you would know the range. For example, this micropipette can work with the range of volumes between 0.5 and 10 microliters. So here is this range. So let's check what this volume means. And this is not 25 microliters, again, because it only can work between 0.5 and 10 microliters. And this red line here means decimal point. So actually, we should understand this number as 2.5 microliters. One more time, do not forget that this horizontal red line means decimal point. Now let's check this reading. Again, this is not 90 microliters, it is 9.0 microliters. So 9.0 microliters. Next micropipette works with volumes between 2 and 20 microliters. So what we see here is not 20 microliters, but again, this is decimal point, so 2.0 microliters. It is also important to say that we cannot use this dial in order to set any number that is not belong to this range. Otherwise, we can damage this micropipette. Now you know that this is not 153 microliters. Again, maximum volume is 20 microliters here. And this is going to be 15.3 microliters. The next micropipette range is between 20 and 200 microliters. And we don't see decimal point here. And basically, all the readings we can get here is between 20 and 200 microliters. So what we see here is 31 microliters. So let's put it here, 31 microliters. Next one is 128 microliters. As I said, this one is easiest, but next one is tricky. So this micropipette works with volumes between 200 and 1000 microliters. But what we see here, it's obviously cannot be 22 microliters because minimum volume here is 200 microliters. And what this red line here means? Actually, it means the same what it means here, decimal point. And we can get here with a 0, or we can get 1 here. For example, we cannot get 2 here because maximum volume that we can measure with this micropipette is 1000 microliters, which is 1 milliliter. So 1 milliliter is equal to 1000 microliters. So this line is thousands, this line is hundreds, and this line is tens. And what we see here, it is 0.225. One more time, it is easy to make a mistake here. As you see, numbers going from left to right in decreasing order. So this is not 35, it is 25. Imagine we have 1 here, 4 here. So as you see, it is 225 microliters. We also can say 0.225 milliliters. And on the right, we have not 1 microliter, but 1000 microliters, or we also can say 1.0 milliliters. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.